Hey everyone, my name is Damien Balak, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an extra $1,000 per month on Clickbank or Warrior Plus promoting products with launch jacking. Now, if you don't know what launch jacking is basically you're going to be making review videos on YouTube with products that are just going to be launching. Now, the process is very easy. I'm going to be showing you also a case study on how I was able to make 20 bucks with a simple YouTube video. So this does work. So stay to the very end, and this is super scalable. So you can make a lot more than just $500 or $20. I just use this for this YouTube video. So what you want to do is go to MunchEye, okay, muncheye.com, and click on this big logo. This is going to be showing you the big launches and all launches that are going to be coming up, okay? So the all launches, these are the smaller products, but as I said before, I used Rapid Profits Pro, and this was a small product on MunchEye, and I got a sale with it. I'm going to be showing also you the YouTube video I used and how much views it got, okay? So don't worry, I'm going to be showing you everything. Now, 24th of October, so that's yesterday actually. So as you can see here, 26th of October, there's products coming out every single day. So what I would do, if you want to really go big on this, I'd make a review video on each of these products going to be coming out, okay? But there's one simple step you got to take. You're going to have to sign up to promote these offers. So let me explain real quick. You're going to click on the product you want to promote. Click on JV page right here. This is the JV page. And what you want to do is click here to apply for the W Plus link. This is the Warrior Plus link. You want to create a Warrior Plus account, but don't worry, there's going to be Clickbank launches also. Okay, so like here, there's a huge Clickbank launch coming soon. Sean Donahue 6-Figure Freedom, which pays $1,250 per sale. So this is a huge launch, and also the Warrior Plus launches. This is easy to get accepted. You want to create a Warrior Plus account, and you want to click the product you have chosen and click Request Approval. Now this is how you get approved. You want to type something like, "Hey, I'd love to promote your product. I'm going to be launch jacking on YouTube, plus sending an email to my list of over 25K. Don't ask what this means, just type this in, and I guarantee you that you're gonna get accepted, okay? Request for approval. As you can see here, he's gonna approve your request sooner rather than later. Okay, next step is make the review video. Now, let me show you how I was able to make the $21. Let me refresh the page real quick. As you can see here, 35 hops, one sale, 20 bucks, easy. I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe if you want fire videos like this more often. Let me know what you think in the comments. So I'm gonna go to my videos, and as you can see here, Rapid Profits Pro review plus 3,500 worth of bonuses. So this is a simple video I created, and all I did was I went over the sales page. So I didn't even have access to the membership area. All I did, I went over the sales page, and what I did, I created a simple page and offered bonuses for whoever signed up under me. And as you can see, I got 3 likes. This is my link. Get Rapid Profits Pro with my 3,500 bonuses, blah blah blah, and boom, there we go. Simple video, made me $22. I made this about under an hour, so that's a pretty good rate, okay? 22 bucks per hour. So it's really simple to make sales with this, okay? Review video, just go over the sales page. Let me show you what to do. Let me show you. This product is launching tomorrow, so all you have to do is JV page. Once you get accepted, go to, where's the offer? Where's the offer page? This guy doesn't probably have it here yet. Warrior Plus, get your links, okay? and view sales page, okay? So all I did is I started recording my screen and I started talking about the sales page. This is simple, guys. Just talk about the pluses, the minuses, the pros and cons, and at the end of your video, offer bonuses. So you're gonna say something like this: okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, I wanna give you an awesome bonus if you decide to join under my link. Blah, 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 blah. You're gonna name the bonuses, and eventually they're gonna sign up to your link, you're gonna make a commission. Easy as that, okay? But if you wanna make the big commissions, you wanna be promoting the big launches, okay? You wanna be promoting the big launches. They're gonna be harder to get into, but once you do get in, okay, there's a big launch coming soon, 29th of October. I'm probably gonna do this one because I can see this is potentially gonna make me a few $100 blue. You know, if this is blue, it's probably it's pretty good, okay? So if you want to make an extra few $1,000s per month or a few $100s per month promoting products on Clickbank or Warrior Plus, make sure to do launch jacking. It's really, really easy. Anyone can do it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment, because I'm giving away courses every month or every day, every week, and I pick a random comment in the video section and I give away the course. I have a Clickbank Mastery course, okay? So make sure to do that. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.